Avocado, make sure it's soft. Let me set up my other camera. I should get like a third camera. So I tried another brand of bread, also, you know, just as kind of like fancy, and I don't find that it tastes as good when it comes to eating the avocado. Diagonal cut, get a spoon, scoop it out. I also really want to do one of those videos that I could cut this, but I'm not going to. That talks about where I see myself in 5 years. That's what Mr. Beast did. You know, it's really nuts when you think about his 60 million followers compared to people that even watched the Oscars the first night, which was at 10 million. So we have that. I like to put in a bit of, why can't I remember what this is called? Shallot. Not a whole lot. I just find that this is better than a red onion in terms of the intensity because it's raw. So that's that. And I'm so glad my skin is better. I have a video that I just released with that, which also coincides with May Lindstrom, which is a fancy green beauty company, which I just was a bit hesitant about because at first it's just expensive, you know? So we'll see what happens once I'm done with that. It's not gonna last very long. I think max it will last me if I use it day and night. Maybe max 2 months. Which I don't know. I don't know what I think about that. Anyways, this is way too much. Let's sprinkle in not much. Lemon is pertinent to this whole thing. Don't you love these Polish bowls? They are expensive because they are hand painted, but I feel like they're so worth it, you know? I get them on Amazon, for example. By expensive, this bowl was $50, and anything this size is going to be somewhere along those lines. You know, Marcella, who used to be part of the cooking show, used to cut her lemons like this, and they shit on her for it, but I think it's the better way to go. It's just easier. Oh shit. Take out the seed. If you have the patience to shred some raw garlic in here, you can do that. I might do that. Like a half. Because I put in a whole, oh, I also have a bit of salad. I need to eat more greens. I'm going to also start doing that. So this morning I woke up and I told myself I must work out. So I am going to also do that. There's a gym in the building. It's very small, but might as well take advantage of it. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I will attempt to build myself shelves because they cut wood over there for you once you buy the big chunk you need. And once I have them cut, I could drill them in. Because that part, oops, I'm kind of good at. Once the couch is here, okay, what else goes in? Oil. Once the, I need a towel. You know, it's weird, I have an avocado in the fridge and it was not ready, so I put it in there with the seed and it's still not getting ripe, which is kind of frustrating. Anyway, salt it up. Also a little bit of pepper, but first salt. And then pepper. And then garlic powder. And then let's put oil. I think, and this is just in my opinion, the best part about TJ Maxx is their food section. Now, that might be a little bit too much, but I think it's fine. So anyways, mix it up. And that's it, guys. We're done. Pretty much it. Let's see how the bread is doing. Oh yeah, we're gonna put garlic, but screw that. Just make sure it's hard. This is not done yet. And harder. Great. So that's it. Let me taste it without the bread. I don't know, should I not be eating bread? I just don't think about what I eat enough in regards to, I guess, losing weight, to be honest. I could have used a little bit less oil, but maybe a little bit less salt too. But all good, especially once the bread is in the picture. Thanks for watching. See you soon, gang.